There's a saying, how your morning goes sets the tone for the day. The chirping of the birds, the calm breeze makes everything about an early morning so beautiful and refreshing. Saying that, today I would love to share my early morning routine with you all. So, let's just get started. I am an early morning person. I love waking up by 6 a.m. or 6:30 a.m. because the rest of my family is asleep and I take advantage of this sweet silence. I have this bad habit of staying in my PJs for the entire morning, but this habit made me feel very sluggish and demotivated. So now I make sure I change into workout clothes, simple tracks and a t-shirt. I put on a little kajal and that makes me feel productive already. After getting ready, I have a glass of water and enjoy these silent moments which help me prepare for the day ahead. You might feel a renowned sense of peace and in a better mood after taking some time for yourself. I used to work out at this time, but my 1 year old always wants my attention and it gets really difficult to complete the cooking. Hence, I pushed my workout for later in the day. I then go through my schedule which I prepare the night before, and after that, I start prepping for lunch and breakfast. I cut all the vegetables and place them in these small bowls and then place the bowls on the counter near my gas stove. I then knead the dough for chapatis in this bread maker. This bread maker has really saved a lot of my prep time. After prepping, I then load the washing machine. I always do one load of clothes a day. This habit really helps in feeling less overwhelmed and in control of this never ending household task. Do you all also find doing the laundry a very mundane chore? Do share your thoughts in the comment section below. So by now my husband wakes up and I prepare his breakfast. He usually has his breakfast in his room because he starts his office calls very early. So as per my meal plan, I had to prepare sabudana khichdi for breakfast, but my daughter requested for burgers. So burgers it is. I then go ahead and take out the trash. I keep the garbage outside. So now my eldest and youngest are up and it's followed by my daughter. I give them their breakfast and then have mine.
So if your kid has these, or
A cup of black coffee for me daily is a must to give me that extra boost of energy to handle my 1 year old. My god, he's a handful. No, correction. He is two handfuls. After breakfast, I then give him a bath, and the other two then get ready for their morning routine. So while they are busy studying and my little one is doing something, I quickly go and make the beds. I religiously used to make the beds as soon as everyone was out. But I read an article that stated otherwise. It said that when we make our beds, as soon as we get up, it traps a lot of moisture. So, leaving it for an hour will remove the moisture from the sheets and mattress so that the dust mites will dehydrate and eventually die. I then head over to the kitchen to finish preparing the lunch. So today I am preparing aloo ki sabji and bhindi aloo, dal, some salad and chapatis. So by the time I finish lunch, it's around 11 am and then I start my workouts. I follow the walk from home routine. I feel whether it's early morning, midday, or late evening, having an exercise routine is really important to combat stress and maintain good health. After the workouts, I clean up the kitchen counters. My house help arrives by around 12:30, so I like to keep the kitchen clean before she comes. She does the vessels and the mopping and the sweeping. After my house help arrives, I take a shower and then a break. I also like to check out all the tasks that I have completed during the morning time. This gives me so much of satisfaction just checking out all those tasks. So that completes my morning routine. After this, I just take some rest and start with my afternoon routine. So I don't really think there is a right routine or a wrong routine. The main thing is trying to maintain a routine and tailor it according to your lifestyle. This really helps in having a productive day. So that's it from me, guys. I hope you have liked this video. Please do give it a thumbs up and do consider subscribing if you're new. Have a lovely weekend, guys. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.